Individual retirement accounts, also known as IRAs, offer special tax advantages as you save for retirement. There are two major types of IRAs, a traditional IRA and Roth IRA. Before we look at what makes them different, let's take a look at a few things that they have in common. First, every year the IRS sets how much you can contribute. If you are older than 50, you are allowed to contribute more to your account. This is called a catch-up and is designed to help you build your savings faster as you approach retirement. Second, to discourage you from spending from your retirement account, a 10% tax penalty will be triggered if withdrawals are taken before you reach age 59 and a half. Now let's take a look at how traditional and Roth IRAs are different. With a traditional IRA, the tax saving opportunity comes up front when you put money in. Contributions are tax deductible, which means you don't have to pay taxes on that income now. Instead, you will pay taxes on the money and the growth when you withdraw money from the account. With a Roth IRA, the tax benefits come later. You do not get any tax deductions when you add money to your Roth IRA, but your money will grow completely tax-free. This means that when you withdraw money from the account, you will not pay any taxes on the growth. So is one IRA better? Well, that depends on what you would pay in taxes today versus what you will pay in the future. Depending on which tax bracket you are in now and in the future will determine which account will provide the most benefit. To learn more about which account would be best for you, click on the link below.